Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by removing the phone link and stopping contact sync. Open Snapchat, go to Settings, and remove your mobile number. This prevents new matching. Once done, immediately disable contact syncing so Snapchat won't re-import numbers from your address book. Make sure you also clear synced contacts in Settings. That severs the app's local copy. Do this now because blocking numbers later won't stop matches if sync is on. These steps cut the pipeline that lets phone numbers appear. Next, you remove and block any specific accounts tied to numbers. Search the username or open the chat thread. Tap their profile, then the three dots menu and choose Block. This stops messages and friend requests. After blocking, remove friend and delete the conversation to clear traces. Once done, check Quick Add and your friends list. If they still appear, repeat blocking and ensure contact sync is off. This focused removal prevents that number from contacting you via Snapchat directly. Finish by verifying the number is gone. Open Settings, confirm mobile number is blank, then log out and restart the app to force sync. If numbers reappear, go to your phone's app permissions and revoke contacts access, then change your Snapchat password. This stops re-importing. As a last resort, contact Snapchat support or report the persistent account. Explain the number keeps syncing. If things go wrong, revoke permissions first. Most reappearance issues come from contact access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.